Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a free virtual credit card in the United States. So a virtual credit card pretty much shields your card info. It pretty much helps you by blocking and preventing fraud, or you could even use it for like free trials and pretty much everything else. It's like a regular credit card, except it's actually virtual. Now, we're using privacy.com for today's video. This privacy.com website actually has pricing and plans for virtual cards. However, there are free plans that you could actually use, but it only lets you create up to 12 new cards per month. So it is a pretty cool free trial, or not free trial, but a free plan that you could use. I've used it once and have found that 12 new cards is just enough for pretty much, everything, or like whatever you're going to use it for. Now, basically, you're going to want to sign up to the website. Usually it's just email and password, and then you got to verify that you're a US citizen. It's just by checking something and clicking sign up. It's not that hard. But once you actually sign up to privacy.com, you're going to want to actually create a credit card. Now, a virtual card can be created by going over to the top and clicking on cards. And then here you could see that we actually have all of my cards here, but you could actually click the new card option up here and then click on virtual card, create a virtual card for your online purchases. So click that. Click on the nickname, and then here you could actually filter what you're going to actually use it for. Now, you don't necessarily have to use it for any of these. You could use it for something else, but if you want to use it for like free trials and stuff, then you could actually just go ahead and create your privacy card right there. So once you do that, you could actually set the limit as well. By clicking on it, it lets you, choose whatever amount or whatever limit you actually want to put it on. So totally up to you. You can see that I already have one that is like $5. That is the threshold that I could put it up, or you could put it even more. It doesn't really matter. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to click on it because it does show sensitive card information, which it doesn't, it's not good to actually post, but you could actually, set the limits in there and all of that, and it actually helps you out. So that's pretty much how you create a free virtual credit card in the United States with no limit. I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you guys.